Wipeout! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Monsieur, are you okay?
Ow.
This is very painful, no?
See.
I had the same bump, but I didn't go down because I was going slower.
Can't see anything.
I know, that's why I took my yellows off.
I'm not going to go that fast again.
On y va. Wipeout!